The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven, Digital Display. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven, Digital Display is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functionality of an air fryer and an oven, making it a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. With its special features including temperature control, timer, automatic shutoff, and programmability, this air fryer oven offers a convenient and efficient cooking experience. One of the standout features of this product is its precise temperature control. With the ability to adjust the temperature according to your desired cooking needs, you have complete control over the cooking process, ensuring that your food is perfectly cooked every time. Whether you want to fry, bake, roast, or grill, this air fryer oven provides a wide range of cooking options to suit your preferences. The built-in timer is another useful feature that comes with this air fryer oven. You can easily set the timer for your desired cooking duration.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.